Alright guys, here at Tallington Level crossing, same shit with Callow, Jamie, Adam, Spike, Andrew and Joe. Time is 14:47 on Saturday, 1st of August 2015. Shut up.
Oh wow! Look at this!
Oh, Adam. Here, Joe. I think it's Edinburgh lead, no, Kings lead, Leeds Kings.
Mr. Martin, look!
And this alarm is quite low, like the other one. I'm touching a yodel alarm.
Look at this yodel! Look at this! Look at the way this barrier is. This one's a small barrier, that's an SPX. The small one's at SPX, the large one's at SPX. Look, I can touch the alarm, look at you! Tallington crossing railway.
You can't hardly, you try it.
That, damn it, Matthew.
Oh, Adam.
God damn you, Matthew.
God damn everyone.
Usually you say Lord Samuel.
Got a bent
Are we
light
going
part.
after this one or the next one? Andrew! When we going after the next one?
My first video using my phone. Well, my Nokia Lumia.
I think everyone would think that. Did you charge it this morning?
Yes, it was charged the whole last night.
I was definitely charged to it in the hotel. I haven't charged my phone in bed. Actually quite nice. The rings are a bit small, but everyone in all quite nice. Could do it with its own private car park though.
Oh, actually, no, Matthew.
Little space.
Sit in you. Oh, that's it on the front bridge. Can't see anything.
No, all I see are three flashing green lights. Two there, one off in the distance. Which means we're assuming to be coming from over here. Probably Kings Leeds. Kings. Edinburgh, something.
I've not seen a single East Coast Edge. I know, I've seen two. If there are any more crossings after Lolland,
I don't
then
know.
I'll probably have to film off.
Here she is! Got 43s, I think, Shane. We got 43s by the looks. We've got Adam.
She's here, yes. Oh, I can hear something.
She is here.
Yep,
43.
Not the fire.
Oh God, I'm never going to read from here. Down. 43, 311. And 43, 257. And up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.